Ang grace po ng Panginoon, wala pong kahit na sino po ang pwedeng makadeserve nun. Kasi kahit po isa sa atin, wala pong perfecto. At lahat po tayo nag-fail po sa Panginoon. But still, kailangan maging thankful po tayo because His love never fails. It never gave up on us. And it will never give up on us.